Hey guys! Welcome to my video. This is day one, video one for a diary of a wannabe wanderer. I'm just the average expat from Britain, living in California presently, working as a full-time nurse, hoping to travel the world. I'm in my mid-30s, not married, don't have kids, a little disappointment to my mother, of course, and
I'm in debt
from all the years as a student. Started out as an art major, went to business, philosophy, finally ended up as a soc major, did my master's in soc, got laid off, lost someone very important to me, so I decided to go back to school for nursing. And voila, this is where I am today, succeeding as a single woman, or should I say a single doggy mom to 3 boys, Henry being one of them because he cannot leave me alone while I'm doing anything.
But I have dreams of wandering the world.
So how are we going to do it? My plan is to, of course, work full-time as a nurse, hoping to fund the not so average wandering adventures that we're all going to go on, and you get to go with me. I hope to give tips, tricks that we learn along the way, and in return, I want you to tell me what to do, what to eat, where to go, hopefully vegetarian-based food along the way too. And I hope you get something out of this, whether it's seeing something for the first time or getting inspired to do the same thing. And yeah, in 5 years, when I'm a successful traveling YouTuber and you look back on this introductory video, you'll be amazed and blown away at how far I've come, especially in the next week. I do have a lisp, yes, thank you for pointing it out. I do have speech impediments, something I've been dealing with my whole life, and for some reason since moving to the US in 2000, I now talk through the right side of my mouth. So that's something, maybe I can lean more to one side of the video so you can hear me better, but that's something you have to deal with because I have to deal with it every day. Alright guys, so we'll see you on the next video. Make sure to subscribe somewhere around here on the screen when I figure it all out. And then stick around for the next video. It's going to be thrilling. I will post another video soon giving tips on how to pack for Scandinavia, what I've learned from over the years. Alright? Alright, have a good night. We love you.